Okay, so here is the base where the coffee is going to go, and you simply use this threaded part and you screw the top, the grinder, into the base, and then you're going to want to select the level of grinding. 3 to 4 is normally good for drip coffee, which is what I drink. So that's what I select. I find that about 1/3 of a cup of whole coffee beans is about what the reservoir on top can take. Slightly, just less than 1/3 of a cup perhaps. So get the coffee beans, there's the top where the reservoir goes, and you just kind of get them in there, shake it around a few times to make sure that all the hooks and crannies fill in. And then when it's about level but not overflowing, you'll grab the little handle on top. It rotates on one side, has a little cutout piece for the other side, fits perfectly on top. The whole thing is well constructed, right? Then you just grab firmly and you rotate and you grind. And that's going to make it work. Partway through, you may want to give it a shake to make sure that all the beans settle down. So at this level of granularity, I find that it takes between 30 and 40 seconds for me to get all the coffee beans ground. And when you're done, you just unscrew the rest of the container at the bottom, and there is your ground coffee ready to make a cup of joe.